how to change payment method in Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can change your payment method in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing your payment method in Netflix is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is, you can't do it from the Netflix application, so you have to open up your browser, go to netflix.com and log into your account. Then tap on the three lines option from the top left hand side, then just go to this little option that says account. Once you come to the account tab, simply scroll down here. You can see a lot of options here, and if you have your payment method, you'll find manage payment method button. So just tap on the manage payment method option that you can find here. As you do that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be able to see a couple of your payment details. You can choose to update the current payment method, or what you can do is you can also just go ahead and choose to change the payment method to a completely new one if that's the case. So that's all it takes to change the payment method on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.